today we're gonna do an AUG rifle showcase. So here's the inspect animation. Yeah, really cool. Here's the scope for, in my opinion, a really good scope. It's really accurate. Okay, and here's the shooting. And here's the shooting with the aim. And here's the reload. Okay, now let me show you the next one. There's a lot of difference. There is the movement with the AUG rifle. So this is the movement when you run with it. This is the jump, and this is the slide, and this is the slide jump. Yeah, really clean gun if you have. Because how clean it is, because the AUG skin is probably one of the best skin, if not one of the best. My favorite skin is now the AK-47, but the AUG is really good. I mean, like literally, the AUG and the AUG skin is really nice. And when you're close range, if you want me to showcase the more skin like the keyboard and the laptop, make sure to comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.